Keying. Keying is selecting a part of the image to apply color effects to this particular part without affecting the rest of the image. Let's take a look at this picture. I'm just going to increase the saturation a bit first. Now, let's say that I want to make this one more green. If I simply take the color wheel, push it towards green, I'm pushing this particular one towards green, but the entire image is becoming more green also. So what I want to do is to tell DaVinci that I want to control this particular green here without affecting the rest of the image. We will get later into how to do that, we're just discussing the concept here. Now, I have this green selected, so now if I do any changes to the color here, it's going to affect this green only. So I can make this bit more green, I can make it blue, I can do all the changes I want to this particular color. So let's make this more green.